Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking this vegetarian dish known as Buddha's Delight. So let's start cooking. We are now going to stir fry this Buddha's Delight. In a heated pan, add in a little bit of oil. Just a little bit will do. Coat the pan with the oil. We're going to fry the mushroom first so that the flavor from the mushroom will come out easily. 4 pieces of dried mushroom. I've hydrated them and cut them into pieces like this. So just put them in. Just fry them for approximately 1 minute. The mushroom is sizzling in the pan. We'll mix up the sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil and 1 piece of fermented bean curd. Just put it in. We'll mash this up. Just put this aside first. If you notice, I did not use any garlic. If you want this dish to be a true vegetarian dish, then you should not add garlic. I will now add in half a medium-sized carrot. I've sliced them thinly like this. Just put them in. Now we'll put in the foundation of the sauce. This is the fermented bean curd mixture which we have made just now. Just pour it in. Mix it up well. I'll add in also 2 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. Just mix them around. This 500 grams of cabbage. I've cut into slices like this. Put it in. Now I like to put a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon. Just spread on the meat. This will soften up the meat easily. You'll now add in water. This is 2 cups of water. This water is the water I use to soak the mushroom in, so it's full of the flavor from the mushroom. We'll now put the lid on and we'll cook this for approximately 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Beautiful. Stir them a little bit. We'll now add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Mix them up well again. To balance up the taste, we'll add in half a teaspoon of sugar. This is going to be so good. Now we put in the rest of the ingredients. 80 grams of black fungus. I've purchased the fresh type. If you are using the dry type one, you hydrate them first before you put this in. This is going to add a lot of crunch to this dish. I'm also adding in 75 grams of green peas. Mix them up well. We are going to add in 35 grams of hydrated glass noodles, or tanghun as they call it. Just put it in the middle. Let it soak up the beautiful sauce. Put the lid back on for another 3 to 5 minutes to soften it up. Approximately 3 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, beautiful. We're going to slightly thicken up this sauce so that it will taste better with the veg. Right, I've thickened it up with a cornstarch solution. Oh, beautiful dish. If you like to thicken it more, you can actually do so. Just add a little bit more. Okay, I think this will be great. Okay, time to serve this beautiful dish. And so we have finished cooking the Buddha's Delight. Let's have a taste. Wow, this is really good. Excellent with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our Buddha's Delight. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.